8 drink recipes that burn stomach fat. Research conducted on healthy adults shows that drinking vegetable juices and smoothies exclusively for 3 days can help alter the gut bacteria linked with weight loss. Ultimately, this helps decrease participants' body weight, body mass index, and improve their general well-being. The following drinks can help you take advantage of this phenomena. Number 1. Slimming drink. Ingredients: 1 inch cube of ginger root, 5 long carrots, 5 celery stalks, 1 small handful of spinach, 1 beetroot, no greens, half a lemon peeled, 2 oranges peeled. Directions: into a juicer, add ginger root, carrots, celery stalks, spinach, beetroot, peeled lemon, and oranges. Juice the ingredients together to get your slimming drink. Number 2. Green lemonade. Ingredients: 2 cups of spinach, 1 lemon, 4 leaf of kale, 1 cucumber, 2 apples medium-sized. Directions: place the apples, cucumber, kales, lemon, and spinach in a juicer and juice the ingredients until ready. To serve, shake and pour into your cup or glass. Number 3. Broccoli detox smoothie. Ingredients: half a cup of almond milk, half a cup of pineapple cut in chunks, 1 banana, 3/4 cup broccoli florets chopped, a half a teaspoon of bee pollen, optional, a half a teaspoon of flax seeds, optional. Directions: add all of the ingredients into a blender and process until smooth. Pour the smoothie in a glass and top the drink with frozen strawberries. Enjoy! Number 4. Orange pineapple chili. Ingredients: a half small chili, half a lime peeled, half a pineapple, and 7 long carrots. Directions: first, juice the pineapples, lime, carrot, and blend with chilies and ice cubes. Your juice should appear orange color even without orange fruits included. Are you finding this video valuable so far? Then consider hitting the like button, as it really helps the growth of our channel. Number 5. Mean green juice. Ingredients: a half a fruit lemon, 6 kale leaf, 1 thumb ginger root, 1 cucumber, 4 stalks celery, large, 2 medium apples. Directions: add all the ingredients into a juicer and process until ready. Shake and stir your juice to serve. Number 6. Pomegranate citrus juice. Ingredients: 2 pomegranates, a half a lime, 2 tangerines, or Minola tangelos, 2 juice oranges, 2 small grapefruits. Directions: add lime, tangerines, oranges, and grapefruits to a citrus presser juicer. In a separate bowl, juice about 2/3 cups of pomegranates. Now subdivide the citrus juices into 3 glasses, then top with pomegranate juice. The pomegranate juice will settle at the bottom. Serve and enjoy. Number 7. Superfood blueberry juice. Ingredients: 1/3 cup of water, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup fresh spinach, 1/2 cup frozen strawberries. Directions: obtain a juicer or high-speed blender to ensure you can fully extract nutrients from the chia seeds. Add all the ingredients to the juicer, then blend to obtain smoothie consistency. Filter out the pulp, pour the juice into a tall glass, and serve. Number 8. Fat-burning cocktail. Ingredients: parsley, a handful, 2 oranges peeled, half a lemon, 5 kale leaf, 1 cucumber, 2 stalk celery, medium, 2 medium apples. Directions: to a juicer, add a handful of parsley, oranges, lemon, kale, cucumber, celeries, and apples. Juice until ready and serve. Which of these recipes will you be trying? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video if you found it valuable.